For post-order depth-first traversal, we are going to want to process all of the left children, then all the right children, then the parent node. This can be useful to safely delete nodes from a binary search tree because it starts at the lowest level and works its way up. And as a side note, you might have realized that I'm using the word children now instead of just left child and right child. And this is because through recursion, we will traverse down each branch of the tree, not only processing the left and right child of each subtree, but also processing the left and right child of their left child subtree and their right child subtree, and so on. The term children would actually be accurate for all of the depth-first traversal variations we have worked on, but I began these lessons simply referring to the nodes as single child nodes to simplify what we were doing and make it easier to understand. Okay, so in order to expand our depth-first traversal method to work in post-order as well, we will add a single line to the bottom of our code block. We will say, if the order passed in equals post-order, then run our iterator function on the current node's value, or this.value. And this line is happening after both the left children are processed and the right children are processed. And these two lines right here are not run because the order is not pre-order or in order. So we process the left children first, then the right children, then the parent node, just like we are supposed to in post-order. Great, let's make sure our method works with post-order. To check that it works, we will come down here and change pre-order to post-order. The order that we should now expect our values to be logged out in is 10, 20, 35, 45, 30, 59, 60, 85, 105, 100, 70, and 50. This would hit all the left children first on each subtree, then the right children on each subtree, then the parent node of each subtree. Let's see if this is what we get. Great, it is. Our nodes were processed in the order that they should have been. It looks like our depth-first traversal method in post-order is working perfectly. Okay, good. We are now done with our depth-first traversal method, and it runs correctly in pre-order, in order, and in post-order. In the next video, we will put our final method on our binary search tree, which will be called breadth-first traversal. See you in the next video.